Good morning, my name is Panthan from class 7B and today I would like to speak an article on the special occasion of the Kargil Day. Kargil Vijay Divas, named after the successful Operation Vijay, is celebrated in India on 26 July. On this date in 1999, India successfully took a command of high outposts which had been lost in Pakistan. The Kargil War was fought for more than 60 days, ended on 26 July and resulted in the loss of life on both the sides. The war ended with India regaining control of all the previously held territory, hence re-establishing the status quo ante bellum. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in honor of the Kargil War's heroes. This day is celebrated in the Kargil Dar sectors and the national capital, New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. Functions are also organized all over the country to commemorate the contributions of the armed force. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you and have a nice day.